Look at that. Order, energy, and purpose, all in sync. While the world sleeps, machines keep speaking. And from above, we're already listening. From combustion towers to turbines, we monitor the heat, pressure, and energy before breakdowns occur. Electrical systems speak in signals. Our experts interpret them, identifying anomalies before they escalate. In refining, even micro imbalances have macro costs. We ensure absolute thermal accuracy. In FMCG, speed meets precision. We audit equipment at scale without disrupting operations. In commercial spaces, energy efficiency is no longer optional. We track every thermal node. In defense, downtime is not an option. We monitor equipment health continuously. At fuel stations, safety comes first. We ensure systems stay cool under pressure. In metal processing, we analyze heat gradients with sub-degree accuracy. From global boardrooms to field-level panels, we bring decades of diagnostics to every conversation. Zero assumptions. Pure intelligence. Perfect test house. Machine talk. We listen.